Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to check your activities into Google Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check your recent activities into Google Authenticator, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application at first, and after that just simply tap into this three bars in top left corner. And from there you will get to see this transfer accounts option. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get the option of recent activity at the bottom left. Just simply tap into that recent activity option, and from this section you will get to see all of your recent activities into Google Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.